and they are a perfect upgrade for your Tamiya build. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to take a look and have a talk about bearings, or the bearing kits. Now here at Hearns Hobbies we've got a full range of bearings. Now what are bearings and why do we use them? So if you're building yourself a Tamiya kit, 9 times out of 10, whether it's a re-release or something modern like the comical grasshopper that we've got here, the kit itself will come with a range of plastic and bronze bushings, or bearings they call them. Plastic bearings. I refer to them as bushings to not get them confused. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having a look at why we would change them over to ball bearing or roller bearings. So if we go over to the overhead, we can see here that we've got a couple of these bearings as per the kit. Now that's a solid injection molded piece of Delrin, which is a hard plastic and really good. Now they're really good because they're quite strong. They don't require any service or lubrication, but they do however wear. So in the case that it's going to wear like your wheel bearings, like I'll show here, in the wheel bearing, obviously spinning around, it's going to wear over time because there's nothing moving. It's just the steel shaft rubbing onto the Delrin bushing. So why we would change that over to roller bearings, and I'll just get one of our Hearns kits open here. You can see here that they're a stainless steel bearing. Now these ones here are in fact the same size, 11 by 5 by 4. But they're actually constructed of bearings, so they do actually move, and they move almost friction free. And yeah, and they are a perfect upgrade for your Tamiya build. So they will help the car run more efficiently, effectively be faster because you're cutting down drag, and they'll also help it last longer and be quieter because you're going to have less slop and less wear across the bearing face because there's not actually anything friction there, it's bearings moving. So that's just a quick little video that I would like to do, and I hope you've understood why we would have it. So for all your Tamiya kits, if you're doing a build and you plan on playing with it a lot, I highly recommend you check out our bearings range. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.